Teacher. Dashi.
Recording in progress.
Good morning, everyone. I am the Shiv Grawal of class 7th A. Today I will tell you the meaning of teacher. T stands for talent, E stands for elegant, A stands for awesome, C stands for charming, H stands for helpful, E stands for efficient, R stands for respectful. Thank you. Now I will hand over the mic to Swati.
Thank you, Darshi. Now I would like to call Khushwadan to tell us thought of the day.
Thank you, Swati. Good morning, everyone. My name is Khushwardhan Singh Ranawat. I study in class 7th A. Today, I am here to say thought of the day. Teacher is a person who always helps everybody to get the knowledge and always stands beside the students when they have problems. Thank you. Now I hand over the mic to Swati.
Thank you, Khushwadan. It was a wonderful thought. Now I would like to call Shagun Sharma to tell us information on Teachers' Day.
Good morning, everyone. I, Shagun Sharma of class 7th A. I am here to tell you the information about Teachers' Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day on account of birthday of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. 5 September 1888 has been celebrated as Teachers' Day since 1962. He was the second president of our India. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. Now I would hand over the mic to Swati.
Thank you, Shagun. It was a great information. Now I will invite my dearest friend Hiteshi Karlikar to recite a short poem.
Thank you, Swati. Good morning, everyone. My name is Hiteshi Karlikar of class 7th A. Today, I would like to recite a poem. Thank you, teacher, for reaching deep in me to find all I can be. Before I can see it myself, you never gave up on me. I have a future because of you. Thank you. Now I hand over the mic to Swati.
Thank you, Hiteshi. It was a wonderful poem. Now I would like to invite Anisha Kadam to give a speech on Teachers' Day.
Good morning, ma'am. I, Anisha of class 7th B from International School of Bombay, Indore. I'm going to give a speech on teachers. Teachers play a very important role in shaping the future of their students, right from the kindergarten to the university. They are the one who impact knowledge and teach us about everything important. Moreover, they also teach us about moral values. Thus, we can say the teachers shape our personality into something very strong and wonderful. A world without teachers would be definitely chaotic. There are only few people in our life who impact our world, and the teachers are definitely one of them. They assume the role of an educator and caregiver for their students. Moreover, they see the potential of their students and no one else can. Teachers also decide the fate of a nation as the youth is there in hands. When the youth is educated and formed, naturally the future of our country will be in safe hands. In fact, the faith students in the hands of their teachers, they push the students to achieve greater heights to become successful. Consequently, they turn out to be doctors, lawyers, pilots, scientists, and many more. In India, we celebrate Teachers' Day to honor them on 5 September every year. Sometimes they also become our friends and helps us from our problems. A teacher is one who helps become you a better person. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Well done.
Thank you, Anisha. It was a great speech. Now at last, I would invite Hiral Joshi to give vote of thanks.
Thank you, Swati. I am Hiral Joshi of class 7th A. Today, we all gathered here on the wonderful morning. I would like to present the vote of thanks. It matter of pride for me that I got a chance to thank everyone present here. Thank you.
Wow, very well organized.
Thank
Thank you,
you, Hiral.
children.
Ma'am,
It's okay, you continue.
okay. Thank you, Hiral. On behalf of my classmate, I, Swati Mansare, took this opportunity to thank you for teaching us very nicely and patiently during these hard days of pandemic. Now, I would request our respected Vidhi ma'am to say a few words on this assembly.
Okay, like I said, बहुत अच्छे से किया है आप लोगों ने. सबकी स्पीच बहुत अच्छी थी. बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड एफर्ट. क्लैप, सारी टीचर्स सब क्लैप करो. वेरी वेल परफॉर्म. कौन क्लास
Vidhi
टीचर
ma'am,
कौन
I
है?
just
हेमलता
want to
मैम.
say-
हाँ.
Ma'am, I was surprised because they have not told me anything. Yesterday only they took permission. कल ही इन्होंने बोला. और ये दिखा रहा है मैम कि हम जो असेंबलीज लेते हैं उसका ये रिजल्ट है कि बच्चों ने इस बार बिना मतलब कोई टीचर ने स्क्रिप्ट नहीं लिखी है, इन्होंने खुद ही अपनी सब चीजें मैनेज की है. मतलब जो बोलते हैं ना धीरे धीरे सारी हैबिट्स इनकलकेट होती है. हमारे बच्चों में ये
Yes.
हैबिट इनकलकेट होगी कि दे आर वंडरफुल एंकर. बहुत अच्छे से इन्होंने मैनेज की सारी चीजें. Credit goes to our school, to our management, ma'am. Really. Thank you so much, ma'am. Even as a teacher, we are learning every day. हम इन लोगों से सीखते, they are also our teachers because they make us a different way of teaching. हमको नई नई टेक्निक सीखने में ये लोग ही हेल्प करते हैं कि कौन सी प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है और we are just rectifying that. Thank you so much, children. You made our day. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, children. Thank you. Very well done. Very nicely conducted. And its script is very, very nice. Thank you.
Very nice. Actually, ma'am, all the time मैं इन लोगों को बोलते रहती हूँ कि आप लोग का रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आता है. You people are because the class is not responding nowadays. So उन्होंने मेरा ये जो था ना जो हर समय इनको बोलती थी उसको इन्होंने आज वॉश आउट कर दिया है. I am really very happy.
Yeah, बहुत अच्छे से. हाँ.
बहुत अच्छे. Anisha,
Nice surprise.
very nice speech, बेटा. Very nice speech. बहुत अच्छा speech दिया आपने. You are doing well. Good. Thank you. Thank you, beta.
Thank you, Vidhi ma'am,
Thank
and
you.
very thank you to my lovely teachers and dearest friends. Hope you all enjoyed the program. Thank you and happy Teachers Day to all my lovely teachers.
Thank you, beta.
all the
Thank
students for
you.
making. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you again, beta. Very nice program.